going to show you a division problem. In 5th grade, we're looking at a different way to do division in hopes that the kids come with a better understanding of what division is. And what we like for the kids to do is to use what they know about multiplication to help them with division. So the problem that we're going to work today is 745 divided by 23. And so we have our kids start off with looking at the divisor, which is 23, and they're going to write down the friendly facts that they know about 23. So they know 23 times 10 would give them 230. Then they can use that. 23 times 20, which you're just doubling, would be 460. And then they could also do 23 times 5. And they know that. If they know 23 times 10 is 230, they could take half of that. 23 times 5 would be 115. And then 23 times 50. If they know 23 times 5, we can use what we know about multiplying with zeros, and that would give us 1,150. If they write out their friendly facts first, that gives them an idea of how big the chunks can be that they want to take out of 745. Okay, so once we start, they can look at their friendly facts. They're trying to figure out how many groups of 23 they can take out of 745. So this just gives them a way to start. So they can look at this and know that they could take a chunk of 10 out, but if they want to be more efficient, they could also take a chunk of 20. So if we took a chunk of 23 times 20, that would give us 460. So I'm going to take that away, do my subtraction, and I'm left with 285. Okay, so now I'm looking at 285 divided by 23. So I can go back to my friendly facts over here and look what size chunk I can take out. Now I'm going to have to take out a chunk of 10. 23 times 10, which gives me 230. So I'm going to subtract that and see how much I'm left with. Now I'm left with 55. So now I'm looking at 55 divided by 23. If they need to go back to their friendly facts, they can. Now all of our friendly facts over here are too big, but using what they know about multiplication, if 23 times 20 was 460, then 23 times 2 would just be 46. So they know that they could take out 23 times 2. I got a chunk of 46. I'll subtract, and I'm left with 9. Okay? I can't take out any more chunks. Okay? So in order to get my answer, I'm going to look at how much I've taken out. So I've taken out a group of 20, a group of 10, and a group of 2. And if I added that all together, I would get 32. So I was able to take out 32 whole groups of 23, and I was left over with 9. So the answer to my problem would be 32 remainder 9.